guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I am kind of stressed right now. It's almost Christmas, almost back to school, well, like for the winter quarter, and I literally have like a million things to do and I haven't done them yet. So I'm like basically stress planning right now, and I just wanted to show you guys how I plan, because I do have like a bunch of stuff I have to write down before I forget in my brain, and I'm going to show you how I plan for the following week. So I do have plans, and I'm just going to use my colored pens. Everything has like a distinctive color to it, so blacks are like for like appointment stuff. So on Friday I'm gonna dye my hair by someone my friend referred to, so it's at 7, but that time slot's already taken by the game, so I'm gonna just put it under. And then for appointments I always do like the little dashed boxes. So I always do like 3 dashes on the side, and then I go like across the top. Just like that. Okay, and that's what I have for Friday. I don't know what I'm gonna do in the morning yet. I don't want to think about that. Saturday, I'm planning on hanging out with my boyfriend after work, because I'm gonna show him what my hair looks like. So I'm just gonna put that I'm gonna hang out at his house, and I just want to have it down just so I already know the plans for the week. I always do bubbles to like mark it off. For some reason, every time I plan, I always start having like heat flashes. Like, it's the weirdest thing. I think because I'm at like a really weird angle. Then Christmas Eve, I'm planning on hanging out at my cousin's house because they want to see my dog. So what I do is I'm just gonna put Sunday at the top. I usually do more on Sundays because I work on a Saturday. So I use this top section since the weekends are combined together and there's no like to do. So I'm just gonna put Sunday just like that, and then I'm just gonna put out that I hang out with my cousins. I put hang out, I never say that, I usually say kick it, but yeah, I guess that's what I wrote. Okay, so this is Christmas Eve day, and then for Christmas, I'm planning on going to my boyfriend's house to have dinner with his family. I also have my family's little party thing, so I don't know when that is, like what time it is, so that one I have to leave blank. But it's a Monday and everything's closed, so I know I'm not going anywhere else. Oh yeah, I do have like my little countdowns I already wrote in for when my shop opens. I'm really excited about that. Okay, so this is starting the new week, and this is how I decorate it, or how I like organize it. I have this strip of white paper. I don't know how many pounds it is, but it's thicker than like the regular plain printer paper, and I use this as like my sidebar. I'm not sure if I showed you guys how I already did this, but if I didn't, I'm gonna show you now. So I always start on a Monday, so I'm just gonna put it on this side, the most to the left, and I'm gonna be using this festive washies, and this is from Michaels. This one says Merry Christmas, and this is just like a little ornament, so I'm just gonna use that because it is the week of Christmas. I used to always do this, but I stopped, and that was like the worst decision I ever did, because when I stopped I actually did not use my money very well. So I used to use this as budget planning also. Okay, just flip it over, and then I am just gonna line it up to the edge of the box. I don't know if you're gonna see this, but this is using my Blue Skies collaboration with Day Designer. So yeah, if you guys wanted to know, I just pull it all the way down. I literally go to the edge of the box, take my little scissors and snip off the end. Okay, so I'm just gonna flip this over for you guys. Take your piece of paper. This is 2 inches wide. I probably could have cut it a little smaller, but oh well, it's already cut. And then I line it up to the line of the paper, and then all I do is just fold the washi over. I use washi because if you use regular tape, it kind of bounces open. Well, from when I tried it last. I don't know about like the papery kind of thing, but it's kind of the same concept. If you got washi, you know, might as well use it, right? Okay, and then it creates this cute little pocket like that, or a sidebar, like open sidebar. So here's what that looks like. I used to do the inside too, but then that kind of was a little excessive. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to decorate this as pretty as possible. I used to always do it at the top, but since I have the countdown, I'm just gonna put it at the bottom. And I'm just gonna go from bottom, the edge to the bottom of each day. And I think I'm just gonna end it at the line, so hopefully this rips. I forgot about this whole roller trick thing until I was watching Samantha Plans. So it still works. I mean, of course it's still gonna work, but I just haven't used it in so long. I forgot how awesome it was. And I've been using X-Acto knives to cut a straight edge, but I totally forgot about this method. And yeah, so I'm just gonna keep doing that throughout the whole week and I'll be back. Okay, so I just remembered I usually like it when I have the washi on this side too, so I also put it on the other side, the other edge, and I just folded it over so it kind of goes to the back too. And I already finished putting the washi down on the bottom for the week, only just for 1 week. And I'm just gonna continue with like my plans for the week, and then I will show you how I do the sidebar. So on Christmas Day, I don't know the times and stuff. Tuesday I will have to work, so I take my purple highlighter and then I just mark like around the times that I work. And I put work, and then I put a little bubble, pull it down all the way to the time that I get off usually. Okay, and then do I have anything planned? I do not. Pretty sure I don't. Okay, then for Wednesday, I am not working Wednesday. Oh, no, I totally forgot. So Tuesday night, I have to go to my friend's house, and we're gonna do a little sleepover. We do like an annual little Secret Santa, and I think this is gonna be our 3rd or 4th year. I'm pretty sure it's our 4th, but I don't know. So I'm gonna have to go pick up my friend after work, and then we're gonna go headed over there. And it takes about like 40 minutes. And I wrote it in green because this is for like this is for hanging out with friends and stuff, so any like friend activity. So I just said I'm gonna pick up my friend Roxanne, and then I'm gonna put Secret Santa Party, and then I just pull it into, you know, all the way down. I'm gonna sleep over this night, so since I'm gonna sleep over, I will have to pack this night before, so I put that in my little to-dos. Just like bring an extra spare of clothes, and like, you know, that's about it. Okay, and then moving on to the 27th. Wednesday, do I have anything? I'll probably get back home by like 11 or 12, something around there. Probably like 12, so I'm just gonna draw an arrow, pull it all the way down the 12 o'clock line. And then I'm just gonna leave it there because we're probably gonna have breakfast, and I want to mark it like what time, and then mark down like what time we're driving home. I do have like a day, like me and Vicky, we're gonna go do our Secret Santa exchanging gifts things, but so I'm free basically half of Wednesday and then Thursday. Do I have Friday? What do I do Friday? Oh, Friday I'm gonna work because I'm filling in for a co-worker of mine, so I'm gonna work, see, and then usually if I'm filling in for someone, I like to just write it down just so I kind of remember. And then that's about it, all that I have planned. I'm probably sure that we're gonna have a New Year's Eve party, I just don't know when. And then if you guys live in like the western side of United States, then my shop opens at 9 p.m. But for the Eastern, it's midnight. So yeah, I'm kind of excited for my opening day. But that's about it right now. That's all the plans that I have in my head. Hopefully there isn't anything I forget. I do start classes soon, so I do kind of want to mark like I have to get ready for school, because I still haven't even emptied my backpack and it's like 2 weeks into winter break, so I really need to get on that. But yeah, now I'm going to show you guys how I decorate the sidebar. Okay, so for the sides, I am gonna put 2 habit trackers. I'm gonna take 2 green ones. Sneak peek, these are gonna be in my shop. They're not gonna be this exact colorway, but they will be in my shop, these habit trackers. So I'm just gonna put them, I'm gonna put like a strip of, yeah, we're gonna put like this gold. I always use like this green. No, we'll use red. Okay, so this red, probably gonna put it at the top just to kind of outline. Maybe I should have made this sidebar a little smaller. Yeah, probably should have, but you know, we live and we learn. I forgot the sizing of this, and that is so crooked. So I usually always use like extra stickers that I have, and then I use it in here. Okay, and I always do about 2 of them. And these headers will also be in my shop. I did change some of the words, but yeah, this one I made specifically for me. So I'm gonna put floss, and then, and these fit like perfectly in here, because sometimes I don't like how my handwriting looks, so I'd rather just have it in there. And then the other one I'm gonna put is wash. I'm just gonna put down a green glitter header. Where's it? Oh, I'm gonna use this one. It has a little bit of gold in it, but it's neutral because it's gray. And this is just the ombre checklist. I just do this to kind of keep check with like my work hours. And then I am gonna use a red and put down a checkbox, and this is kind of like a gold color, so I think it's cute. Okay, so that's about it for my sidebar. I usually put a full box if I have one, but I don't, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. And then on the back is usually how I keep track of like how much I'm spending and stuff, so like budget tracking, something, I don't know, but that's gonna be in another video. So yeah, this is how I plan. I hope you guys like this video. Give me a thumbs up if you do. I hope you guys check out my shop when it opens. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.